Dear students, you are most welcome from Divine Public Senior Secondary School. Students, today's video is for class first year, subject economics. Book name is Microeconomics, and today's topic analysis to introduction of syllabus. Students, you know that two books are prescribed by the CBSE boards. First books Statistics for Economics and second books Microeconomics. Statistics for Economics books analysis you have read in the previous videos. Now this video you will know about the introduction of syllabus of microeconomics. Dear students, these books divided in the 4 units and R units to given the divided by the marks like 6 marks, 16 marks, 16 marks and 12 marks. So let us start the videos. Since this book divided in the 4 units. Now for today's analysis to all units of these books. So now start the videos. Students, first unit first, introduction. Dear students, in this topic, in this chapter, we shall know about meanings of microeconomics and microeconomics and microeconomics. And in this unit you will know about the what is economy, central problems of an economy, what, how and for whom to produce, concept of production, possibility, frontier and opportunity cost in this unit. Once again, unit first for the introductions, and inside the unit meanings of microeconomics and microeconomics, different between the microeconomics and microeconomics, and then after what is economy and central problems of an economy, and what, how and for whom to produce, concept of production, possibility, frontier and opportunity cost is today in this unit. And second unit, consumer equilibriums, consumers equilibrium and demand. In this unit we shall study about the consumer equilibriums and demand. In this unit, consumer equilibriums, meanings of utility, marginal utility, law of diminishing marginal utility, condition of consumer equilibriums using marginal utility analysis, and difference cause analysis of consumer equilibriums, the consumer's budget set and budget line. Preference of the consumer in different curve, in different map and condition of consumers equilibriums. And demand, market demand, determinants of demand, demand schedules, demand curve and its slopes, movements along and shift in the demand curve, price stability of demand, factor affecting price, elasticity of demand, measurement of price elasticity of demand, and percentage change methods and geometrics methods, linear demand curve, relationship between price elasticity of demand and total expenditures included in this unit. And then after unit third, producer behavior. Producers behavior and supply. In this units, that is very important topics, producer behavior and supply. In this chapter, we shall read about the producer functions, short run and long run. That very important, producer function. How can work the producer in the economy? We study in this pattern like a short run and long run. Total product, average product and marginal product. Return to a factors. Cost, short run cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost and marginal cost meanings and their relationship. Revenue, total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue meanings and their relationship. And then after producer equilibriums, meanings and its condition in terms of marginal revenue, marginal cost. And then after supply, market supply, determinants of supply, supply schedules, supply curve and its slope, moments along and shift in supply curve, price elasticity of demand, measurement of price elasticity of supply, percentage change methods and geometric methods included in these chapters. And that after unit 4th, forms of market. Forms of market and price determination. Determination under perfect competition with simple application. In this chapter, we shall read about the topics included that as perfect competition, first meaning of the markets, how many forms of the markets, and perfect competitions, features, determination of markets, equilibriums, and effect of shift is demand and supply. Other market forms, monopoly, monopolistic competition, oligopolies, their meanings and features. Simple application of demands and supply, price ceilings and price floor. Students, from this books question will from the 40 marks. And statistics for economics, from the books statistics for economics question will come the 40 marks. Make up the 80 marks. They will make up the 80 marks, but your paper will be 100 marks. 20 marks will be project work. 20 marks will be project work. Project work related to the your syllabus. Maximum questions, maximum topic will come from the microeconomics. Microeconomics is the main books of economics. These books you will study in the class first year, and microeconomics you will study of class in the class 12th. So both books are important. These books for the class 12th and these books from class first year. So students, today we have studied about the introduction of the microeconomics. Microeconomics is important subject. There are the divided into 4 units. First unit, introduction of the microeconomics and macroeconomics, difference between the microeconomics and macroeconomics, and what is the economy, and then after center problems of an economy, what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, that is very main problem of the center problem of the economy. And unit 2, consumer equilibrium and demand, and this chapters included to the consumer equilibriums, meaning of utility, marginal utility, law of diminishing marginal utility, condition of the consumers equilibriums using marginal utility analysis, and much more topics will come. And unit 3, producer behavior and supply. In this chapter, in this unit, we shall read about the producer behavior. What is the effect of the producer in our economy, in the production functions, short run and long run, total product, average product, and marginal product return to a factor. And unit 4, this unit included in the form of the market, definition of the market, how many kinds of markets, and perfect competition markets, features, determinations of markets, equilibriums and effect of shift in demand and supply. Other market forms like a monopoly, monopolistic, competitions, oligopolies, their meanings and features. And then after, simple applications of demand and supply, price ceilings and price floor. Dear students, very interesting book also for the, especially for the commerce students, because total our economy depend on the economics. Economics subject is very interesting and very important for our country, for students, especially for the commerce group. So you will read the carefully, write the all syllabus, and then next video we shall read the chapter number 1. The chapter name that will be name of the economics, economy and central problems and economy. In this chapter, first you will read first the definition of the economics, what is the economics, kinds of economics, and definition of the microeconomics and macroeconomics, and what is economy, and what is the central problem in economy and how can solve it. Okay, so students, you will write the all syllabus and understanding these topics also, and the next video you will read the chapter number 1 of the microeconomics. Okay, thank you.